Hi there, Victoria here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Squibbler to create your story elements, and then how to use these elements to create a story with more cohesion. So let's go ahead and see how to do that. I'm using the general fiction template provided by Squibbler and writing my story on top of it. So here you can see chapter 1. As we scroll down, you're going to see the elements part. So as we open, you're going to see all the elements I already created. So we have a couple characters, we have settings, and then we have an object. To create a new element, you're going to go to this plus sign and then select the type of element we want to create. So we're going to do a character. And here, if you have a name already for your character, you can just write it down. But if we need suggestions, then we can say, give it an idea. So let's say antagonist, starting, let's see, name with the letter H, and let's see what it comes up with. I like that. Okay, we don't need a nickname. And in this case, we're not going to add it to any folders, and I'm going to get to the folders part in just a little bit. If we already have a description, we can go ahead and add it. In this case, I'm going to paste the beginning of a description and have the AI tool continue. So let's see, generate description. Okay, made some adjustments and then added secretive nature hides a dangerous ambition. I like that. Okay, so the more details we add here, the better our AI image is gonna be. So I'm gonna say that he lives in Maplewood, which is already another element we have on the story. It's already created. So I'm going to add the description of the city right here. Okay, let's see what our AI image generation feature comes up with. Okay, I don't like any of these, so we're gonna generate again. Okay, I like this one. So we're gonna save. And here's our new element. So we also have the option of creating groups, and that's very helpful if we have a complex character, for example, and we need to specify the different arcs. So in this case, I created one for our main character, Sarah Mitchell, and then we have the beginning arc, and then here we have the description personalized for this part of the story, and then the other ones. We can also go ahead and create images for those as well. Let me go ahead and edit so you can see how it works. So we have a folder, it's Sarah Mitchell's folder, and then we just add the description just like we did for the previous elements. And then here we will just generate the image as well. These group folders are also helpful if you want to divide your story into different ages or different historical periods. So you want to add the elements for these periods into separate folders. Or if you want to specify the relationships in between the characters as well. So this is particularly helpful for stories with detailed interpersonal connections. So if we head back, once we have all our elements, we can go back to our editor. And let's say we want to generate a scene here, and then we can select the specific elements we want to be part of this scene. So we want Sarah. We want this to happen at Maplewood City, and we want Mr. Gregory. And then here we can have a brief description just to guide the AI to do what we want it to do. And then having these elements here just helps us for the story to flow in the way we want it to go. So we will just generate the scene here. And yeah, this is how we use Squibbler to create elements, and than to create our story using these elements. So if you have any questions, please reach out. We'll be happy to help. Cheers!